Under which rules of procedure is the concept of 0R explicitly mentioned? Rule 377 Rule 193 Number mention in Rules of Procedure Rule 55.
No mention in Rules of Procedure. Explanation: the term 0R is not explicitly mentioned in any established rules of procedure, such as those used in legislative bodies or courts. It's a concept often used in strategic planning or military contexts, marking the commencement of an action, but it's not a procedural term defined within formal rule sets. Rule 377. This is incorrect because there is no rule numbered 377 that contains any references to 0R. Rules of procedure vary based on the body using them, but the concept doesn't feature prominently in these procedural guidelines. Rule 193. This is incorrect because it is highly improbable that any such rule number would be designated with that specific term. The rules of procedure usually do not make reference to terminology like 0R. Rule 55. This is incorrect for the same reasons that the previous options were. There is no rule number 55 with explicit mention of the term 0R.